going to continue on with nouns in this video, and again we're going to review the different types of common nouns. And in this video we're going to look at gerunds and infinitives. These are used a lot in everyday speech and writing, so they are very important to understand. Now, gerunds are a noun made from a verb that almost always end in ing. That is the key. They end in ing. And then this is the other key. Gerunds are usually the subject or object of the sentence. Now you might ask, wait a minute, how can a verb be a noun? The reason is, again, because infinitives and gerunds are the subject or object of the sentence. That's what makes them a functional noun, even though they're formed from a verb. They act as nouns. So that's the key to understanding gerunds. So let's take a look at how they are used in a sentence. My favorite hobby is rowing. You can see here rowing, it ends in ing, and this is the subject of the sentence. Rowing, that is the subject. So this is a gerund, and it is formed from the verb row. Row is the simple verb that it is formed from. I am scared of flying. Flying is a gerund because it again ends in ing, and it is the subject of this sentence. So flying is a gerund, and it is formed from the verb fly. That is the simple verb of flying. Swimming is fun. Swimming is a gerund, and again it ends in ing, and it is the subject of this sentence. That's what this sentence is all about. It's about swimming. And of course, swimming is formed from the verb swim. Now, infinitives are very similar to gerunds. The only difference is these almost always begin with the word to. That is what they begin with. So if you take a look at this, we're going to use the same type of sentence here. The only difference I made here is I substituted swimming with to swim. So to swim is fun. This is an infinitive. It has the word to in front of it, and it has the simple form of the verb swim. So that's the difference. You're usually using the simple form of the verb. That's how infinitives are a little bit different than gerunds. So again, we use the simple form of the verb, which is, of course, swim. I decided to row in the afternoon. To row, that is an infinitive. We put the word to in front of it, and we're using the simple form of the verb row instead of rowing. So that makes to row an infinitive. So that's how gerunds and infinitives work. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.